What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Car Adventures with Reg, and I'm back again with another video, man. And in today's video, we're going to an all Acura Legend. I mean, no, not all Acura Legend meet. We're going to an all Acura meet because a couple of months ago, I wasn't able to just drive this car how the way I'm driving it now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I done put a lot of money into this car to get to where it's at today. I done did a lot of stuff. You know, I didn't have no plates when I first got the car. You know, just a whole bunch of stuff that, you know, I didn't have with this car. And now that I have all of that stuff and it's able to drive, you know, really, really good, you know, I'm out in it, man. I'm out in the city with the Legend, and it's definitely a good feeling. You know, it's definitely a good feeling. You know, I've been wanting to drive this car forever since I bought it, because the whole reason why I bought this car is because I wanted this to be my daily driver. So now that I finally get to have it as my quote-unquote daily driver, you know, I'm excited about that. You know, it's been long months of me, you know, owning this car and not being able to drive it. Like, if you go back to all the old videos, bro, like majority of the videos you just seeing this car parked. You seeing this car parked. It's not a lot of driving footage of me like really just driving this car. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna start this video off with a POV drive, because I'm just so excited, you know, to be able to drive this car. So that's the reason why the POV cam is up right now. And but I won't be talking the whole way. I ain't gonna be POVing the whole way. We just, you know, just started off, you know, with the POV drive, and I had to cut somebody off because he wasn't trying to let me get over. But yeah, you know, we finna get on the freeway. I want to show y'all freeway footage of me like really just driving this car, man. Like, it's crazy. Look, hold on, man, hold on. Look at the Legend. Look at the Legend go, man. And I know y'all seen freeway footage. If y'all haven't watched the POV drive, explaining y'all how was it, you know, driving it, you know, for a week, you know, daily driving or whatever. However I titled that video. But yeah, I did a POV, straight POV drive on this car. But look at it, man. We're getting up to speed and all that. This car is like hecka comfy too, like hecka comfy. Especially since I replaced the upper control arm. So if you guys haven't watched that video, I suggest you go watch that video. I'm pretty sure it's the one that just dropped before this. So yeah, I replaced the upper control arms, ball joint, and man, it feels a whole lot better. All right, y'all, we just pulled up. See, the Legend is here. Legend.
Over next to my I'm finally about
everybody
to get
here.
behind the wheel.
And look who's finna drive.
Yeah. Camera on camera, man.
No camera on camera.
What's up, man? It's BTHEGROWTH in the building.
Go ahead and follow my guy.
Yeah, follow me on YouTube and on Instagram, man. I'm about to give my guy Reg's car.
You finna ride it? You finna drive it?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, let's get in.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh shit. Oh, you just gotta pop the lock for me.
Oh.
Well, nah, this one.
Oh, I gotta actually hit it?
Yep. Just pull it up. There you go.
Yeah, we in there.
That's the sound of a Legend right there.
We in there.
Let me just put this in the back seat real quick, man.
Oh, you got a gun in there?
Huh? I got a glizzy. Hey, you know I keep a couple glizzies tucked.
Oh man. Yeah, my boy for sure just said he used glizzies on the low, bro. That's what he really said right there.
Do you want to put this up on camera?
Oh no, you know what?
Do you want to put this up on camera?
We ain't gonna talk about it.
All right.
No, man. We good.
Okay. I'm just making sure. I'm just trying to check temperature real quick. That's it. I'm just trying to check temperature.
No, bro, we good, bro. I don't want no smoke today. No smoke.
Okay.
All right, let's start this thing up.
All right, go ahead. Oh yeah. Just take it around because you actually drove it before, but I didn't put this on camera. You drove it before, right. But I got the upper control arms. I think. Well, did I have new tires in? I don't know if I had new tires.
I think you did do the tires.
I did do the tires.
Yeah.
Okay, with the upper control arm, so you get to see how different it feels now.
Okay. Hey y'all, man, I wish y'all could see. He ain't smoking like he was no more either. So
I'm really not.
But y'all see this bad boy, man. Y'all see this bad boy. But y'all gonna check out me driving it on his channel. I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm in this thing, though, man. I'm in it. We back in the Legends. If he didn't get in, I'll take it and steal it. I'll get back to y'all in a second, though, man. Yes, sir.
So you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling in a broke down Legend?
Hey, look, just to be back in a Legend again.
Feel good?
Feel real good. Let's ride.
And I'm actually pulling the gears all the way down now. I'll do one by one, you feel me? You see how smooth it feels? Oh, you wasn't in the tie rods too. So the tie rods, like no wheel hobble or nothing. Feel hella good. And the alignment.
Yes, sir.
Feel better, huh?
It do. Talking about it didn't feel like a car last time. It feels solid now. I don't know if that made a difference, but it definitely feels solid.
It feel like a car. Feel like the Legend back in '94.
Shit, let's go back a couple little rows.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, this thing feels good.
Let me put on my seatbelt, because you know these motherfuckers be out here.
We look hot as hell.
Hella hot.
We look hella hot. I'm gonna just go around the lot though. We ain't gonna do too much.
Oh yeah, all right. Fuck it then.
But nah, this thing, man, yeah, it feel way different than last time.
Feel better.
Because you know what it did? You know what it did feel? It felt loose.
Yeah, it felt hella loose.
It feel like, I don't know, it just feel like it has a more solid grip to the road. It feel normal now.
The inner tie rods was horrible, and then also the upper control arms was horrible. It was taking time ball for the whole front end to drop, really. Okay. So I'm glad I got that repaired.
I mean, this thing is smooth, bro.
Thank you, bro. It's hecka funny seeing somebody drive the Legend right now. It's crazy.
Like I said on my channel, y'all, like I really look forward to seeing the growth of this car, because it's cool. Like when you have projects like this that start like this, bro, I'd be lying if I sat there and didn't say that it'd be a headache. Like bro, this nigga gonna get pissed off a few times.
I already got pissed off.
Yeah, he done already been pissed off and ready to sell it already. So it's like, you gonna have those moments. Like anybody that's like following Reg or following me, when it come to like these builds like this, y'all better just get ready to have patience, because on the real, for real, like it's gonna take a lot of patience, a lot of time to build these cars up how you really want them to go, and just get things in a you know, the way you want it. Parts ain't easy to find for this car. There ain't really too much aftermarket shit for it. Like it's, you know, you really got to know people to get one of these built up the way you want it. And then even worse, because of the way it's set up, it's a lot of mechanics that really don't know what they doing with a Legend. So you can't just take this car anywhere.
It's like foreign language. It is. Like you ask them about that EGR tube,
they don't know.
Some of them don't really know.
Right.
They be like, what are you talking about?
Right. So it's like, you know what I mean? You really got to, it's going to take a lot of sourcing to get this car the way you want it, at least with a Legend. I mean, there's gonna always be challenges with every car, but a Legend is probably, I got a little bit more room on this side, just go over. But the Legend is probably one of the most headache cars that I've ever dealt with in my life. And I tell you what though, I wouldn't trade it for the world. I wouldn't trade it for the world, man. I like the fuck? Oh.
There you go.
I'm retarded.
Oh, you good.
There we go. Oh, look at Red with the backup camera.
Oh yeah, you see, come on, man. You see the backup camera? You see the backup camera?
Got a backup camera.
You see the backup camera? So you won't run into nothing?
You feel me, though?
Yeah.
Hey. Oh, yeah, we in there. Boom. Throw that thing in park, man. Yeah.
So how it feel?
It feels
Ultimate.
Good. No, it really feels good.
And then, just so we can,
you got AC in here?
Come on, man.
So you got me sweating bullets and yeah, I feel it. Shit, that made a difference already. Yeah, turn that shit up, man. What's wrong with you?
The reason why I don't turn it on is because I don't want the engine to work harder than what it, you feel me?
Because it's for sure just did a little.
Yeah.
When you turn it on.
Yeah.
But shit, better get it used to it. Because I mean, you be surprised though. The more that you run this car and run it to its full potential, the more this car will be used to running on its full potential. Because I ain't gonna lie, I saw more problems out of my Legend when I drove it barely than when I really like would take it out. Because there's been times where I done drove my shit for the whole week, not to work, but like you know, I work from home every other week. So on those weeks, I do everything in my Legend, and I don't be having no problems out of that sucker. The moment I park it for like a week, 2 weeks,
it'd be over.
Turn it on. RPMs might be going a little funky. You know what I'm saying? It'd be just little shit. It'd be like, man, let me get this car back out, because what a Legend is like an old man. Like it's almost like stiff knees. Like you get it out, it feel a little laggy at first, but then when that bitch warm up, it's on from that point. Like it's ready to rumble. So
yeah,
you know, I'm gonna get my Legend back on. Like, that's his motivation, man. I'm gonna get my Legend back on the road.
hey, and I just want to say this too, is like, sometimes you gotta experience like some fucked up shit. It's a minor setback for a major comeback.
For sure.
And I knowing you for the time I know you, bro, you finna be back on the road in no time, bro, and your Legend gonna be running harder than when it was. And it's already clean.
Yeah.
So it's like, once you drop the engine in it, what else? You know what I'm saying? I mean, of course you're gonna remix it. You're gonna do what you know.
But
what
that's the missing piece, and I've been telling that for a minute. It's like the missing piece on my car is literally like, I mean, I wouldn't say engine. Well, at the time I didn't say engine swap, but now as I put miles on it, it's like, yeah, that engine swap, that 3.5. Had to seal the deal on it, bro, because it's already clean. So you know, we just wanted to really take us wherever we want to go. But I mean, I'm gonna give my car credit. Like I mentioned on my video, I bought that car initially without none of the cosmetics and all that done. I bought my car initially for $2,000 off of Craigslist. Maintenance history unknown, 190,000 miles on it. It just, you know, we took a risk. That car has ran me all over the Bay Area though in those last couple of years, man. I done been from Oakland to San Jose to Pacifica to Fairfield, all over the place in that car, man. I done put miles on that car and it's never let me down. So, you know, I'll give my Legend credit, man. Like, we did get a solid about 10,000 miles out of that car over the last couple of years. And, you know, like I said, shit happens. It's at 201,000 miles now. I knew eventually, like, something was gonna happen. Like, it's an old ass car, bro. It's bound to happen. So I hate that it happened like in the prime of like my car really starting to get attention, like with YouTube and stuff like that. But yeah, man. So, you know, I've had a good run with a $2,000 car initially, man, because I didn't really have to put much into it under the hood at first. So, like I said, it's a learning lesson, man. Like, you know, we're gonna get it back up and going, and shit, it just is what it is. So I can't complain too much.
Okay, got some slap in the back in the Integra. So I can see, man, it's all these ACURA'S, man. Park mine right over here. Got a CL over there with a wing. I'm gonna go take a look at all the cars. Oh, we got a Viger over there. Got a couple of NSX over there, and then we got Bros. What's this paint called? Canterbury?
Canterbury green.
I don't even know my paint.
I'm gonna say it's your color.
Yeah, I don't even know my paint, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Canterbury green with that.
But this is his car that he wanted to sell.
Yeah. I just pulled it off right now.
Thank you.
I just pulled it off.
Thank you.
Oh, you made it official?
I made it official. It's not online.
This thing is, it's nice, man. Got the 6-speed with the phone in it. It's clean. Oh.
Look at this thing, bro.
Yeah, this thing is clean. Look at it, man. And I like the 2 doors because the back windows get to go down too. But look at it, bro. Got the phone in there. 6-speed. I don't know why bro was trying to sell this. And I think this is the GS. This thing is clean though. You know, I had to show my fellow twins some love, you know. The same color Legends. But his a 2-door, mine's a 4. But I mean, he got the GS and his look way better condition than mine. But yeah, this one is clean though. All you gotta do is really just hit up the paint and you're gonna be straight, bro. Got the RSX right here. I think this is Integra right here. TSX. Got my boy BMDX. Of course, he on the wheels. Well, I think those are the same people that came out for the Legend content. I mean, the Legend meet over there. Well, that's cool. They came out again. But I really want to see this NSX in person. Now, I love NSX, and I love the new one. And I ain't really seen it like that in person, so let me see what this thing looks like, man. But I love this color right here. This color is clean. Nice as in NSX, boy. Whew. I wish I had some money, boy, man. Look at the engine though in the back. It's crazy. It's clean.
Everybody that did it now.
It's carbon fiber wing. This thing's clean. Which one look better, y'all? The new one or the old one? Let me know in the comments. I like the new one better than the old ones. But look at this one. This one is a Type S too. Carbon fiber vents. Damn, this thing looks so clean. I remember when this thing was first about to come out, I want one of these so bad. If I get this in a GTR, it'll complete my dream car collection for real. This thing is clean. The engine in the back. Trying to get too close on people's cars, but man, this thing is clean, bro. Carbon fiber wing in the back. I really do love these NSX though. Like I said, if I could get a GTR and an NSX, I complete my whole like garage or whatever. But man, this thing is clean. But which one is better though? The old one or the new one? Let me know in the comments. Oh, we got another Champagne Legend over there. Let's go see. Let's go walk over there. Yeah, y'all see the two Legends? Got the coupe in the photo. Same color. I ain't never seen like my color out, so that's clean. So yeah, I'll go ahead and look at it real quick, man. But he about to get up out of here. All right, y'all. We done left the car meet right now. On my way, actually, to go get this car wash. But this video is over. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The first time the Legend was at a meet, you know what I'm saying? I got plenty more meets to go to with this car. On my journey to continue to get this car right and get this car where, you know, it should be. I hope you guys been enjoying the videos, especially the Legend content. Let me know what else you guys want to see as far as like Legend content. I could definitely make that happen. I'm trying to produce more content for this car, especially since I got it, you know, on the road and stuff. So I'm trying to get more content and stuff like that. So let me know which what content you guys want to see, and we can make that happen. But yeah, man, it's just so good to see this car is actually on the road and driving. Now I was just smoking up a storm, I ain't gonna lie. It was just smoking up a storm, especially when I was driving it. It was a whole lot of smoke that just came out. So I don't know where that came from, but I could for sure smell the burnt oil. So I'm gonna have to go check the oil to make sure how much oil I got up in here. But I keep 2 bottles of oil in the back, so I'm pretty much good. But yeah, I ain't gonna drag this on for too long. I want to talk you guys head up, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave me a like. Go ahead and comment right now, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.